Welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. Today we are diving deep into the world of style and with our focus on neck design for women. Whether you're rocking a sheer salwar kameez or a trendy top, the right neckline can make all the difference. So let's explore the 10 stylish neck designs that will elevate your fashion game to a whole new level. Starting off with a classic, the round neck is timeless and versatile, perfect for every day. Wear it offers simplicity with a touch of elegance. Pair it with statement jewelry for a chic look. For a flirting and elegant effect for the v-neck, this design is great for showcasing your collarbones and adding a hint of allure to your outfit. Area for a both casual and formal occasion. Boat neck. Make a bold statement with the boat neck, characterized by its wide horizontal neckline. This style exudes sophistication and grace. It a favorite among fashion-forward individuals for its unique silhouette. Square neck. Embrace the square neck for a touch of vintage charm. This structured neckline from the décolletage beautifully giving off a retro vibe that both elegant and refined. Pair it with a high-waisted bottom for a trendy look like. Show off your shoulder with the off-shoulder neckline. This flighty and feminine style is perfect for date night and special occasion. Amp up the glamour with statement orange and a sleek updo. Healthier neck. Channel your inner diva with the halter neck, offering a stylish alternative to traditional necklines. This design is characterized by straps that wrap around the neck, creating a chic and sophisticated look. Look perfect for making a statement at cocktail parties. Keyhole neck. Add a playful twist to your outfit with the keyhole neck, featuring a small teardrop shaped cutout. This design adds a visual interest to any ensemble. Pair it with sleek tweezers for a modern and polished look. Elevate your style with the modern collar inspired by tradition. Chinese attire. This neckline exudes elegance and sophistication, perfect for formal event and office where it adds a touch of a refinement to any outfit. Scope neck. Keep it simple yet stylish with the scope neck. Fluttering for all body types. This rounded neckline accentuate the collarbone bone and add a feminine touch to any look. Pair it with a layered necklace for added flair. Dare to be a different with the asymmetrical neck, featuring an off-center design. This neckline adds a contemporary edge to your ensemble, perfect for fashion and forward individual who aren't afraid to push the boundaries. And there you have it, a stylish neck design to take your fashion game to new heights. Whether you prefer classic elegance or bold experimentation, there is a neckline for every taste and occasion. So go ahead and unleash your inner fashionista and rock this neck design with confidence. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion tips and trends. Next time, stay stylish. Thanks for watching.